cleaning challenge that I'm going to show you guys, and we're going to play around with a couple of different methods because we have 4 filthy wheels on this Audi S5 Sportback. We're going to be using the foam foamers. You guys can see this car has not been cleaned in months. You can see the filth on the caliper. There's grease, there's brake dust. Look at the barrel. I mean, this thing is filthy. And these wheels are silver, so it's going to give a good visual. You can see how filthy the tires are. We're not going to scrub the tires. We're not going to get into that today. Just want to show you guys the performance of the wheel cleaner using a couple of different methods. So this car came up from Florida and it's been sitting for a few months. And you can see it in there. I mean, this is pretty caked on. So I'm going to be using my Kranzler 1322 with the turbo nozzle. And we're going to get this set up right now. And we're going to see how well this does. So let's get the camera on the tripod and let's get foamed away. I'm going to foam it once. That's going to act as the pre-rinse. It's going to try to get some of that loose contaminant brake dust off. Then I'm going to let it dwell, hopefully to loosen up all that caked up stuff in there. I'm going to hit it again, and then I'm going to hit the turbo nozzle. We're going to see how well it does. Okay, here we go. Okay, now, within seconds, you can already see brake dust coming off. Look at this, guys. Within seconds of that blast. So we're going to let that dwell. Then I'm going to zap it again and get the turbo nozzle. So that's what we want to do. We want to use the first zap of the foam cannon to start getting all that loose stuff off. Then we want to reactivate all the brake dust, and that's really how the mechanism of the Audi Fanatic wheel cleaning foam works. Want to hit the caliper a little bit better as well. So here, let's go in there again. Okay. So now I'm going to grab my turbo nozzle. Now, even with that second spritz, you can see there's even more brake dust that's coming off in the foam runoff. You see that right there, guys? Just check it out. That's in real time. Okay, let's get the turbo nozzle set up. We're going to see how well this is going to do. Now this turbo nozzle makes a little bit of a noise as you use it. It's very low PSI. It's about 1,000 PSI right here. I gotta say, for wheels that haven't been cleaned in months, this shit worked really well. So let's just get closer with the camera. That's the result, just with no agitation on some pretty trashed wheels on an Audi S5 Sportback. The brake caliper has got a lot of grease on it. There's also some sort of grease or something going on down here. These wheels are kind of beat up. But like I said, to hit it with the foam cannon and using the simple Kranzler 1322, which is a low PSI power washer. I bet you with a gas power washer, you probably could do a better job inside the barrel. But even the barrel kind of did pretty well. But these wheels need to be, properly decontaminated and detailed. But I tell you, I'm pretty impressed, and I hope you guys are as well. That was pretty much effortless. So we're going to move over to the other front wheel, and we're going to use the foamers, and we're going to see if the result changes at all. So let's get set up right now on the other side. So we're on the passenger side front wheel. Just want to show you the before, just so you see it there. There's going to be some tar and stuff that's probably not going to come out with any serious scrubbing or decontamination, but you can see the settlement of brake dust and crap that's loaded on these Audi S5 Sportback wheels. But using my Foam-It 5 liter, we got it pumped up. We're going to do the same process. Just going to foam it up once to get some of the loose stuff off. And then once the loose stuff starts coming off in the foam runoff, I'm going to hit it again, and that's going to start to reactivate the embedded brake dust, that bottom layer. That's the layer that's the hardest to get on your wheels. So let's get closer with the camera in real time. You see what it's doing right there. I mean, look at this. These are neglected wheels. These are wheels that have not been cleaned in months. So, like I said on the other side of the car, the way the Auto Fanatic wheel cleaner works, it reactivates the brake dust, softens it up, the foam mechanism dwells, and gravity brings it down away from the wheel. Second application on something like this is going to soften it up even further down to the base layer. Turbo nozzle with the little pulsation is going to be the agitation effect instead of using brushes, and it's going to get this wheel just as good as the other side. So the foam is already starting to run off. You can see that there in the camera. So we're just going to foam it up again. And we're going to do all 4 wheels in this car. So the rear wheels are not as bad, and we're going to use a lighter dilution with the other foam at foamer, which is going to be a little bit of a wetter cleaning action. Because that's, I think, what we're going to need for something like that. Okay. So let me just pull the camera back. I don't want to blow it out when I go rinse it. Let me go grab the Kranzler right now. Now, just to let you know, if I ever post a video of wheel cleaning or anything and there's just music, it's usually because there's a lot of airborne sounds of airplanes and stuff going on, and it's just really annoying to try to shoot videos sometimes. So right now, you can hear it. You know, I don't have a gas power washer. This is a Kranzler 1322 low PSI power washer. And you can see the foam. You see that right there. I'm not wearing gloves, no fumes, no acid, no nasty iron activator. So let's go. Done. Same result at the other side of the car that I used with the MTM foam cannon. You guys can see it right there. Done. Okay? So, like I said, that's a quick clean. That's not a full decontamination. I still would recommend pulling these wheels off the car, foaming it up, and really cleaning these wheels up and bringing them back to life. Getting some of this transferred paint and everything else. There's some tar and some other crap that's on these wheels. But, like I said, that's quick and simple, guys. So, pretty damn good, pretty damn impressive. So you saw the before and after, and that's real-time, real results. No gas power washer, nothing fancy. Just a simple turbo nozzle and a bottle of the Auto Fanatic professional wheel cleaning foam. Go to my website today, full in stock, no more pre-orders, immediate shipment today. So see you soon. Please like, subscribe, and share. Set your notifications for updated videos on this channel. And please visit auto-fanatic.com to order your bottle of Auto Fanatic professional wheel cleaning foam today. And I'll see you guys on the next video.